Welcome, gang, to our class. My name is Russ Meade, and I'd like to do this very short, and I promise it'll be short, navigational video to show you how to be a true success in our class and how to navigate the class. So after watching this video, you'll be able to get right into your assignments and the heart of our work for this term. This is what you'll see when you first sign on. These are my news sections. I try to add different news each and every week. The first week you will not see all these because I change them all, but you will see my welcome letter. Let's click on that for a moment. And again, I promise this will not be long. All right, in my welcome letter that you'll see here, it very simply introduces myself to you and shows you who I am, what I look like, what I sound like. I have a heavy New York accent, so I have to apologize for that. I want our class to be as alive and interactive as possible. You'll see numerous videos of myself where you can just sit by myself, where you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right. The first one, you'll see a video of where I live. I live right about here on the mountaintop in beautiful North Carolina, and I hope you join me. So that's my simple welcome letter for the week. Please read it in detail. After that, please go to week one. All right, let's look at week one a little bit. In this particular class, it's the moral point of view. I give a brief and summation of what we're going to do for that week. For this week, I want you to start on our starting point video. This is a multimedia presentation. Once again, I love video, where you'll see how to be a true success, what I want out of you, what our time frame is, etc. After you review that short video, click here, and it'll tell you everything about your geek instructor, again in multimedia fashion. Here is our syllabus. Simply click on our syllabus, and I suggest you print it out because that's the heart of our class, how it operates, what's required. In each module each week, we'll have a discussion. This week, we just simply get to know each other. By clicking here, you can introduce yourself in writing. Now, this is the great one. Right after that, we introduce ourselves using your microphone, your webcam, or even your telephone. And I think you'll really love this because you'll be able to see and hear your fellow classmates from this class and other classes at our university. It's free, it's easy to use, and I really think you'll enjoy it. We have a writing assignment in each and every week, where I want you to be creative, to think out of the box, all right? By clicking on here, it'll explain a lot more in detail. Now here's what I love, our ethics video collection. We're going to be using video in our class, as I told you, and they will be extremely interesting. They'll be done by some of the best motivational speakers in the world. Here's one in Japan, not Japanese though, telling you about ethics, why we need it, some of the dilemmas, some of the problems. So you can just toggle through this, click on any link that you think you'll like, and we'll be writing our papers on some of these. All right? Again, I love the video because we're all visual learners. To me, a class, unless it has a lot of visuals, a lot of videos, it gets rather boring. All right? After our video, here's some great links for further study. It's optional. Here's some tips, and I want you to read these. These are tips I put in on how to be a real success in our class. All right? Do enjoy those videos because I'm going to, the tips, because they will allow you to get that elusive A if you follow all the procedures. Okay? Again, I'm trying not to make this long for you because I want you to get right into the class. Each week we're also going to have questions, and I love this one too. This is one that if you ever have a question in my class, I am easy to access. You can locate me right here. You can send me email through our Stratford University email address. You could call me. Here's all my numbers. I don't think there's many professors that try to be as accessible as I am, but it's my home phone number and my cell phone. And you can also call me and see me through the free use of Skype. I'm usually on the computer 24/7, so Skype me. And again, you'll absolutely enjoy that. This is my office. This is where I will be doing our work here from my mountaintop over here, and with the statement that my office is always open to you. So if you have any questions or problems, please call on me. So as I end this, let me just toggle through some of the other work we have. Each and every week will be different. It'll test some of your ideas. It'll ask you to be very creative, okay? For a little hint in our class, do post an awful lot, if you can, to our discussion boards. Our discussion is where we think, where we argue, and where we truly try to create a learning environment where you can learn and learn best. All right, that's about it, gang. I'll see you in class. We're going to have a fantastic class. Bye now.